Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you know that I already have faux locks in, and I wanted to show you guys a couple different ways that I've been styling these faux locks. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the different ways that I've been styling them. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my faux locks. There's going to be a few different ways. I've already went ahead and styled my edges. So without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and get right into this video. So for these hairstyles, you're going to need a hair tie that's kind of big, that has been stretched out just a little bit. You're going to need a scarf. If you do wraps, then that scarf would probably be fine. And then you may need a few jumbo clips for this hairstyle as well. So if you don't have any of these, bobby pins would do just fine. If you don't have a hair tie that's this big, a headband would do just fine as well. So yes, if you would like to see a tutorial on how I style my edges as well, please leave a comment down below. I could also film that for you guys as well. So the first hairstyle I wear to sleep, but sometimes I've worn it out as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start by flipping my hair upside down. And then it's easier for me to just start twisting the hair, but however you can get your hair to be upright on your head, whichever technique works best for you. And sometimes I have to do this a few times. Yes. So just start by twisting the hair, and this is probably like a good foundation. And then just continue to wrap it around. And you want to make sure you can still see that perimeter of my hair that I told you about. And so because my hair is so long, you won't be able to see it in the frame, but that's okay. I'm sure you guys know what it looks like. So this is one look. You could wear your hair just in a top knot. Now, if you want to, I'm sure a lot of you may prefer to have a black hair tie. That way you can't tell that it's there. But what you're gonna do, I have two different scarves. This is more of a silk scarf, so I'm just gonna take this, and I like to fold my scarf like this. So it's completely up to you how you fold it, but to cover up that hair tie, and this is just if you want to cover it, it's not completely necessary. I take that and I just tie it around, so that way it covers it. And I don't worry about it being too straight because, again, I am wearing faux locks in my hair. So I'm just going to push the camera back so you guys can see a bit better of what this looks like. So yeah, I'm trying to keep the yes. So with this, you can still see like some curly pieces, and I don't mind that. I actually do like that you can see some of the curly pieces and that it's not perfectly straight. But with pieces like this, I just go ahead and pull out. Now it's completely up to you how you like to wear it, but this is one look. I kind of wear it in like a top knot kind of thing. So from this hairdo, I'll take you guys into the next style. So you can take this part down if you would like. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go into my second hairstyle, which is kind of like the wrap. So if you've seen different women wrap their hair, this is how I do it with faux locks. So take the scarf, kind of make sure that it's even on both sides. If you're used to wrapping your hair, then this may be very simple, but you're going to make sure that it's over your ears until you're completely done. And you can play with this, kind of get it to be as straight as you would like. And then because there's not a bunch of extra fabric, I tuck it. So just tuck that, and then you can tuck this as well. And so with that, I pull my ears out and I'll push it back just so you can still see, like I said, the perimeter of my hair. And so I still have this piece out. So I like to wear my hair like this too. I wear my hair like this to sleep, but I've also worn my hair out like this as well. So, and it kind of like slides nicely and I can do whatever. And like I said, you just want to make sure the perimeter of your hair is still out and that you can still, you know, see some sort of hair. And I like to keep this one out just because, I don't know, I think it's cute. I think it's really feminine. So you can take this down if you want. You could stop here because, like I said, it's really easy to wear. If you don't have scarves, I'm sure there's some type of fabric around your home that you could possibly use. Whew. And also, I'm not sure if any of you have ever worn hair on top of your head, but it's very simple. It's not heavy. You're gonna leave a good portion of the front of your hair out. What is this? Maybe like 6 locks in the front on one side, and then maybe 2. I have to like actually do it. I'm gonna leave the ones that have jewels on them out too because I think those are really cute, and then 1 in the back. So you're going to, you could leave some out in the back too. It's completely up to you. It's completely your preference. But you're gonna take the stretched out scrunchie, or what did I call it? Or your headband, and you're going to, you're gonna wrap it around a few times. Now I'm just gonna make sure so now I have to make sure all of my locks are pulled through. Once you get all your hair through, I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna take my jumbo clips. You can get these from Dollar Tree. You can get these from your local beauty supply store. You can get them from anywhere. Then I'm gonna take these and just clip them to the side as well. So here's Hairstyle. I think this was 4. Like I said, if you have a black hair tie or a black headband, then you don't have to worry about these. You don't have to worry about that. But again, I'm just gonna take my scarf, and you don't have to worry about the clips showing because the hair hides the clips. And there it is. So you have like a cute ponytail, and you have like the cute little parting if that's what you're into. You can take this black scarf, and with the same clips, the same hairstyle, take the scarf, pull it under you. Well, not under you, pull it under your hair. And you have to watch really carefully. Let me go to the side and do this. I told you guys about before. Bring them to the back. You can tie them. Like this, in a loop. If you're using your own hair, then I would suggest clips because you don't want to tangle your own hair. So now pull all that to the front. It's up to you. You can tuck it or you can leave it out. I prefer to always tuck my fabric because growing up, my mother always tucked her fabric. So that's kind of all I know. And then with this, you can wear it out as a ponytail like this. It's really high, it's really elevated. And like I did in my other tutorial, you're gonna push it back just to show the perimeter of your hair like that. And so that's how you can take a regular ponytail and turn it into a more mature ponytail. And with this, you just make it a lot more feminine, a lot more womanly, using a black scarf. So those are all the scarf hairstyles that I have. Now I'm gonna go into like the regular hairstyles that you can wear. So for these hairstyles, you're just gonna need a regular old hair tie. So yes, give me 1 second to take this down. Since I have the curly pieces at the end, I tend to not completely tuck all my hair. But this is how I do a half up, half down top knot. Real easy, real simple. With most of these hairstyles, you can always throw a scarf on if you want to like make it cute. Or you can add different clips to make them cute. You could stick it here, honestly. You could stick it anywhere. Just for the effect. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite hairstyle to wear with clips like this in a second. So of course you guys could also do the regular old half up, half down, but you could also do hairstyles without a hair tie, which is normally my favorite way to style my hair, without like extra needed equipment or extra like accessories. So that's the beauty of having faux locks. Now with the rest of these hairstyles, they're pretty simple, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what they look like versus telling you, and I'm gonna throw some music over it. So guys, those were the hairstyles that I've been doing, or that I've been thinking about doing, or that I've seen and just wanted to recreate for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below letting me know which of these hairstyles you're gonna try. Let me know if you have faux locks or real locks and which ones you actually use on your actual hair. Let me know down in the comments if I showed you guys anything new. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and I will be back tomorrow with another video. Bye. Yep. I'm trying to film this video. You're just walking in.
What you doing?
I'm kind of just winging it, to be honest.
Putting your scarf on your head.
I mean, trying to figure it out. So I figured, why not just film it and figure it out as I film it?
I see.
You don't seem to like what you see.
I ain't see it, huh? I'm pulling hair out the scarf. I'm gone.